Okay, this is a quick video about Trustwallet, how you can download Trustwallet and create your wallet address. If you are using Android, this is an Android phone. You see Play Store, just click on Play Store and then search for Trustwallet. This is just type in Trustwallet there, and then you will see is this second one, this blue shield. You can see I've already installed it. So when you click on install, just like install at the top, once it finishes installing, you will see open here. So the next thing you have to do is click on open. Once you click on open, look below it, you see get started. So what you want to do is to create a new wallet. But if you already have a Trust Wallet account and you want to move it, you can always migrate your account to one Trust Wallet or to another phone. But for a new user, just pick the first one, you click create new wallet, and then this is very important. Secret phrase. They are phrases they will give you such that anytime you miss it, you lose it, and you lose your phone or forget your password, it means you are, or whatever you have in those accounts are lost forever, because they don't have support. Nobody knows about it. Immediately they create it, you have to copy it down. So click backup manually, then you will accept these three options. Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. You accept it. Saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended, so that don't go and start typing it on your computer or your phone. It's not recommended because some people can hack into it. Then write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. In most cases, take your biro and a paper and write it down. Once you understand those three, click on continue. They will give you 12 phrases. You can see the 12 of them. So don't go and screenshot it or copy it and go and paste it somewhere in your computer or anything. This is the live wire of your wallet. If you have millions of dollars, $1, anything, the day you miss these ones and you forget your password or you want to change phone, just say bye-bye to your money. So make sure you write down carefully and then write it in this order that is kept. So don't go and write number 1 into number 2 or something like that. You have to write it in such a way that you'll be able to know which order, because they can ask you that, okay, put number 6, put number 4, just to confirm that you have the correct thing down. So once you have copied it down, just click below it, say continue, and then you can now see they want to confirm now which word is number 1. So the number 1 is tackle. Which word is number 4? Number 4 is order. Which word is number 7? Number 7 is judge. Which word is number 10? Number 10 is destroy. This. Then click confirm. If you are correct, then you'll be asked to create your password. This passcode, then there is 6 digits. So you can use any 6 digits that you know you will not forget. If you forget it, you are in trouble because you won't be able to access it again. So I'm going to put 6 digits. They will ask you to reconfirm it the second time. Make sure it's the same thing you type it so that you don't mix them together. So you need to, if you want to use a fingerprint, it depends on the type of phone you are using. So you can confirm to use big fingerprint or say no. So beautiful, this is your Trust Wallet account. Just this is an information to work, you just close that one. Now this is Trust Wallet. That is how to download and create Trust Wallet account. Now you can create up to 10 wallets in this account. If you look at the top here where they wrote main wallet 1, if you click on it, you can see that's the only wallet. You can even change this main wallet 1 to something else. or you want to create a new wallet, at the top right hand corner you can see wallet, you can see plus sign. Click on that plus sign and then create a new wallet. You follow the same process, backup manually, they will give you phrase. So every wallet you create will have its own phrase. So I've created the second one. It's called main wallet 2, but I don't want to call it main wallet 2. You can put these 3 dots in front, click on it and name it whatever you want. So if I want to create it for Witty now, just type WITTY. Then at the top, this mark at the top right hand corner, click on it. You see, that is my Witty account. So when you click on it, it will open. You can see at the top of this 0.00, it's showing Witty. So this is where my Witty will stay. So whenever you want to connect Witty to your Trust Wallet, if you have 10 different accounts, as I said, you can create up to 10 here. If you click on this arrow by the side, let's assume you have 10. Any time you want to access any of them, you go and pick that particular one. But since we are working with, let's say, okay, let me just show you something. Let's change this one. Let's say we call this one another token, maybe call tap swap, for example. No, it's not taps. So let's assume we call this one tap swap. So you can see we have two different wallets here. So if I want to work on Witty now, I just select Witty. So at the top it will show Witty. So anytime you want to connect, when they say connect to your Trust Wallet, before you connect, just make sure it is the one you are working on that you selected. If it's tap swap, you want to connect to your Trust Wallet, make sure the default here is the token you are working with. So before you register for Witty, make sure it's the Witty that is default here. This is how Trust Wallet is. Another thing you can do is, if you go here below, you can see where they call discover. Discover here is like a website. When you click on this place, you can type any website information here, like the link I gave, by https:// we have bit.ly/ I think I call it Witty AB Witty 777. So when you paste the link here, click on search, and then it will take you to the website. Bye. Oh, my network is really slow, so that's why it's delayed. So once you paste it here, it will open. It will tell you to connect your wallet. Let's try it again. Let's hope my network will be able to connect this time. This discover is actually like a website that is like a search engine. Yes, sorry, like Google, like every other search engine, but it comes with Trust Wallet. So when you place that into it, it will. But my network is not allowing you to open. But once you place it there, the information you will get will be something like connect your wallet. So once you click connect your wallet, automatically it will bring you back into your wallet. It will bring you back into your wallet here, and then it will ask you to confirm and order. So it's straightforward. I can do another video to see how you can install to activate your Witty account once you download it. So I'm going to stop this video here. I hope you understand how to create a Trustwallet now. And then another thing I can show. Okay, no, this is not the purpose of this video.